I had just combed out my hair. It's quite thick and it's gotten a bit longer. It's gotten a bit longer now. And I will be doing multicolored braids. This is very easy to do. It's not any complex pattern, just normal box braids. So I have the pink, I have the fuchsia. This is like an ice blonde. I have the honey blonde here. Brown is here. The next thing to do is line up all your hair. All of the hair. Line it up into strips so that you can easily pick it up and braid it onto your hair. These are the colors I'm going for. Okay, so I am going to section off my hair. Make sure you comb everything out. Just to make things easier when you're parting your hair. I had combed out everything in advance, but if you have thick, coarse hair, sometimes you're gonna have to comb that a bit. So, I'm going to show you. It's very, very easy. So, you split this into 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then, okay, so you're going to section off your hair. This is one strand. I combined brown and blonde because I'm doing brown, blonde, and pink. And then get your other strand and you're going to wrap it around like this so that you have 3 pieces, like 3 strands of hair, like when you're braiding your hair. So like I said, this is going to be 2, this one here. Take the other hair that you want to add to make 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, so this is 1. I know there's different colors mixed in, but this is going to be 1. This is going to be 2. This here is going to be 2. And this is going to be 3 for braiding, okay? Grab your hair. I'm adding some blonde tonight. And like I showed you earlier, you do 3 like this. And then you attach 3 to these 3. Pull it tight. Pull it tight. Scalp as tight as possible. Then work your way through. You can add a wax or a holding product to hold your braid. I'm just continuing the braid now. I'm continuing it. I love this color combination. The braid. And obviously I'm going to be doing the others. This is just number one, but I usually finish the ends like separately because it is kind of long, so I like to put it up on my head like that and then braid the ends separately just because it takes a really long time to just braid it going down. So, but I'll show you the rest of the process. I like the color combination in this so far. You're gonna go along and do the same thing. It's nearly done. So far, done a lot of it. Just use this clip here. 3. Hold it as close to the root as possible. Then you braid. You want to make sure you get all the root hair in. Hold it tight. I'll show you again. Grab it. Grab all 3 strands at the root at the top, as close as possible. Tighten it. Then braid.